Hi, my name is Jessie Hughes and I work for Roto. I run our school program and evaluations. Roto is a concept to design to fabrication firm that creates immersive experiences for science centers, for zoos, and aquariums.
My name is Brad Allgaier. I work here at Roto as a project manager in the fabrication department.
My background is in education, and one of the things when I came to Roto, I thought of so many of my students would flourish in a workplace like this.
My favorite project, that's difficult because there's so many things that would make something a favorite project, like maybe that was a fun challenge or difficult to build. But I think my absolute favorite was something that was local at a hospital. We built a giant dragon flyer, and it's basically a combination of a dragonfly and the Wright brothers airplane. But what's really incredible about it is the woodworking and the details. Like, you could look at this, you can put your hands on it, and you can just feel the love and the craftsmanship that went into it.
You may or may not need a college degree. We hire many students from career technical schools. We really look at design portfolios to look at your work. We do have jobs that we want an educational background, but we really are valuing your skills, your life experience.
If I were a young person trying to pursue something like this, where you're trying to work with other people to solve problems and bring something that's never been done before to an audience. It's about being flexible in your thinking and open-minded to other people's ideas, being able to be okay with being wrong, because you're going to be wrong a lot, just being comfortable exploring things. There are lots of traditional paths which are great. Those are always need to exist. You know, you need doctors, you need accountants, you need things like that. But there's also a lot of other ways to give to the world, like designers, free thinkers, craftspeople, like people that just put their hands on things and make them real. Good ideas are wonderful, but until they get on paper, until they're built with people's hands and minds, they're not practical. We need practical people in the world. I think that it's a wonderful pursuit to want to put your hands on some physical materials and make them real. So if you've got children who are outside in your backyard tinkering, if you see any sort of inkling into a creative mind where they're trying to make the world a little bit better place and with their own spin, encourage that.